and girls to the place. I know most people are going to be like, oh, I'm a Can-Am, I'm a Honda fan. Oh my gosh, you're so stupid. No, I'm a Polaris fan. I love Polaris. I will probably get to liking Can-Am more, definitely. That's probably 100% going to happen. But Polaris is my thing for now. I think we've only gotten it stuck twice, and the mud was up to my waist. FYI, I am 7'15". No, I'm just kidding. So I got duct tape because I forgot my GoPro at home. A rip-off GoPro. So I'm gonna get that on. You guys watch me struggle. Come on. Stay still. Okay. I don't need twine. Stupid. Just hand me the tape. Just hand me the tape. There we go. Okay, we're chilling. Now, just rip. Oh. Okay. I hope that got it. So, just tape it right. So, put it like this. Dang it, I forgot the keys. I'll be right back. Keys. Ah! Okay. Ow! I just destroyed my shin. That really hurted. Okay. Let's get this thing started.